Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you Complete Revision Unit 2 Operation Concept Operation Management KMBN 205. Here is the first topic, service. A service is any act or performance on one party can offer to another that is essentially intangible and does not result in the ownership of anything. Example, fire department, colleges, hospital, bank, hotel, etc. Characteristics: no ownership, fluctuating demand, user participation, variability, lack of ownership, intangibility. Now discuss in detail. First, intangibility. Service cannot be seen, tasted, felt, or smelled before they are bought. Example, college services, university services, etc. Second, variability. Every time, same service will be provided differently as it depends on who provide them, when and where and to whom, like waiter. No ownership. A service is inseparable, it cannot be transferred, so one can avail or experience the service but cannot be own the service. Fourth one, user participation. User participation is one of the most important characteristics of services, even if it is often forgotten. Difference between product and services. Now discuss first of all product. A product is tangible, it is physical and can be held, seen and movable. Product value is derived from the customer. Customer care of the product is limited. A product can be stored for future use. Product can be owned. The quality of a product depends on its nature. Service. A service is intangible, can only be felt and not touched. Value of service is offered by the service provider. Customer care forms critical component of marketing can service. A service cannot be used later or stored. A service cannot be owned by the consumer once payment has been made. Quality of a service depends on the service provider. Concept of service marketing mix. The service marketing mix consists of 7 P's as compared to the 4 P of a product marketing mix. It has 3 more P which are required for optimum service delivery. The service marketing mix is also known as an extended marketing mix and is an integral part of a service blueprint design. Now here is the 7 P's. First one, product, price, place, promotion, process, people, physical evidence. These are the 7 P's. Classification of services on the basis of degree of involvement of customer. First one, people processing refers to the physical presence of the customer at the service system or location to avail the service. Example, haven't get a haircut. Second, product processing service. It is related to the specific product or its processing with limited or no involvement of the customer. Example, the service offered by packers and movers. Third, information processing services. The information act as a product or information technology is used. On the basis of tangible action, first one, services for goods. Service delivered by people for object or goods. Repair, cleaning, transportation and maintenance. Second, services for people. Services delivered by people to people, banks, salon, hospital, etc. Now discuss on the basis of intangible action. Services directed at intangible assets, banking, insurance, legal services. Services directed at people mind, education, information service, etc. Service design. The activity of planning and arranging people, infrastructure, communication, and material components of a service in order to improve its quality and the infrastructure between the service provider and its user. Service design is the activity of planning and organizing a business resources in order to direct improve the employee's experience. Second, indirectly the customer experience. The purpose of service is to ensure that the service delivered are reasonable and relevant to the customers. To design profitable service that provides high level of quality and satisfy the business needs. 4P of service design. Here, product, people, physical evidence, process. Elements of service design. There are two elements of service design. First one, structural elements. Second, managerial elements. Now discuss in detail. Structural elements. Delivery system. System are being seamlessly delivered to the clients of an organization. Location. Location refers to geographical position. Facility design. Facility design refers to infrastructure arrangement. Capacity planning. Capacity planning that the organization requires for producing the necessary product or service as per changing needs and demand of customer. Managerial elements. Quality of service, managing capacity and demand, information, service encounter, service blueprinting. Service blueprint are diagrams that visualize organizational process in order to optimize how a business delivers a user experience. They are the primary tool used in service design. A service blueprint is a operational planning tool that provides guidance on how a service will be provided, specified the physical evidence. Effective service blueprint. Effective service blueprint follows 5 key level steps. First, find support. Second, define the goal. Third, gather research. Fourth, map the blueprint. Fifth, refine the distribute. Here is the FDGMR. F refers to find support, D refers to define the goal, G refers to gather research, M refers to map the blueprint, R refers to refine and distribute. Service quality. Quality is a judgment of how excellent something or someone. A measure of how an organization delivers its service compared to the expectation of its customer. Customer judgment of overall experience of an Service provided. Dimensions of service quality. There are 5 dimensions of service quality. RATER. Reliability, assurance, tangible, empathy, responsiveness. RATER helps to measure the quality of service. RATER model is a convenient method to measure customer expectation. Gap model of service quality. There are 5 gaps. First one, customer expectation and management expectation gap. Second, service quality specification gap. Third, service delivery gap. Fourth, external communication gap. And last one, fifth is difference between expectation and perception. It is gap 5. Cervical model. The service quality model or cervical model, a method to capture and measure the service quality experienced by customer. The cervical instrument consists of 32 statements for accessing customer perception and expectation regarding the quality of a service. Respondents are asked to rate their level of agreement or disagreement with the given statement. Reliability, responsiveness, empathy, assurance, tangibles. Here is the diagram. Expected, perceived. Here now perceived service. It is the diagram of cervical model. I hope you understand. For Unit 1 revision, I have already uploaded the complete revision of Unit 1 on my YouTube channel Study with Harshit. Please visit and subscribe Study with Harshit. For more videos like this, please subscribe, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.